loves. Whew. I've had a lot of deliveries this week, even though I felt like I was cutting back. But again, as per my last video, I was gone somewhere and I came back and I had a delivery at the door. Urbanity 20. Oh, it's upside down. I wonder if I did my, thumbnails. I wonder if I did my thumbnail with it upside down. I don't know. Let's do another one. Alright, so if you want to see, actually, I wore my Urbanity sunglasses today. But if you want to see what is in this month's Urbanity box, I did upgrade my box. So now I get a piece of jewelry and a pair of sunglasses. So if you want to see what I got, then just keep watching. Subscription boxes are like my favorite thing in the world. Okay, so for jewelry, we got a necklace. Looks like a very long necklace. That is really cute. Super cute. I like it. All right, let's hang it up on my little shelf over here. Now for the sunglasses. I love the subscription box so far. These are cool. So we got like a gold frame and kind of a sheer black lens, but it's also has a mirror effect, so it's reflective. Oh my God. Freaking love these. Ah. What do you think? Ooh, I'm digging them. I'm digging them. I'm digging the subscription box. She is definitely a keeper after 2 boxes. I will leave all of my information below. I do have a discount code with this subscription box, so take advantage of that. Get you a little discount. Alright, I just got home. I'm about to go take a nap. Until next time, my loves.